Baywalk in the city of Manila continues to draw crowds, especially at night. Find out why from Bernard Tan.
The spirit of Christmas is in the air and just around the corner. And if you want to feel the Christmas spirit at a much higher level, then there's no place to go but in Baywalk, Roas Boulevard. Extravagant Christmas displays and wonderful lights will sure to captivate each and everyone. All these fantastic Christmas displays are all for free, making it a tourist destination in some way for Filipinos who have little budget.
Parang magandang pakiramdam namin nito.
For Cheche and friends, it has been a daily routine to go to Baywalk every night. Instead of going to malls and shopping centers, they said that they will choose to go here in Baywalk. More than being a free park, they said that it is safer to go here because of the lights and the all-night patrolling of policemen.
Siyempre, maging successful, yun lang naman.
Street vendors are also taking advantage of these Christmas displays to sell and earn more.
Pag marami namamasyal, mabili. Pagka namamasyal, hindi rin ang binta.
The wonderful Christmas displays in Baywalk are open from 5 p.m. up to 4 in the morning. So come and feel the early Christmas here in Baywalk. For People's Television, this is Bernard Tan reporting.